Good evening, my fellow fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your workout routine to the next level? If so, you're in the right place! I'm a fitness coach and expert in HIIT workouts for fat burning and muscle building. I'm thrilled to be here today to share with you the incredible benefits of HIIT workouts and how they can transform your body and life. Let me ask you something. Do you want to burn fat and build muscle at the same time? Do you want to improve your cardiovascular health and endurance? Do you want to boost your metabolism and increase your energy levels? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in for a treat! Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to HIIT workout for fat burning and muscle building. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started with this highly effective form of exercise. From the science behind HIIT workouts to the tips and strategies for designing an effective routine, you'll leave here today feeling inspired, empowered, and ready to take action. So, buckle up and get ready to transform your body and life with a HIIT workout! HIIT, or high intensity interval training, is a type of workout that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest or low intensity exercise. It differs from traditional cardio workouts, which often involve long periods of steady state exercise at a moderate intensity. The science behind HIIT workouts is quite fascinating. When you engage in high-intensity exercise, your body is forced to work harder to supply your muscles with oxygen, leading to an increase in your heart rate and metabolism. This process is called EPOC, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, and it means that your body continues to burn calories and fat even after you've finished your workout. The benefits of HIIT workouts are numerous. It can help you burn fat and build muscle simultaneously, improve your cardiovascular health and endurance, boost your metabolism, increase your energy levels, and even improve your mood and mental health. The best part about HIIT workouts is that they can be tailored to your individual fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, you can adjust the intensity and duration of your intervals to suit your needs. This makes it a great option for anyone looking to take their fitness to the next level. Let's talk about how it can help us burn fat and build muscle. One of the main ways that HIIT workout achieves this is through its impact on metabolism and calorie burning. As I mentioned earlier, a HIIT workout increases your heart rate and metabolism, leading to more calories burned both during and after your workout. This can lead to significant fat loss over time. But HIIT workout isn't just about burning fat. It's also incredibly effective at promoting muscle growth and development. When you engage in high-intensity exercise, you're putting stress on your muscles, which signals to your body that it needs to repair and rebuild them. This process leads to an increase in muscle mass and strength over time. And the research backs this up. Numerous studies have found that HIIT workout is more effective at burning fat and building muscle than traditional cardio workouts. For example, a 2017 study found that participants who engaged in HIIT workouts for 12 weeks experienced a more significant reduction in body fat and an increase in lean muscle mass than those who did steady-state cardio. So, if you're looking to burn fat and build muscle simultaneously, a HIIT workout is the way to go. With its ability to boost metabolism and promote muscle growth, it's a powerful tool for achieving your fitness goals. Now that we understand the benefits of HIIT workout, let's talk about how to design an effective routine and get the most out of our workouts. If you're new to HIIT workout, it's important to start slowly and gradually build up your endurance and intensity. You can start with shorter intervals and longer rest periods, and gradually increase the length and intensity of your intervals as you become more comfortable with the exercise. When designing your HIIT workout routine, it's important to focus on exercises that engage multiple muscle groups and incorporate both cardiovascular and strength training. For example, you could do a series of high-intensity exercises, such as burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks, followed by a period of rest or low-intensity exercise, such as walking or jogging. It's also important to pay attention to your nutrition and rest. Proper nutrition, such as a diet rich in protein and healthy fats, can help support muscle growth and repair. And getting enough rest is crucial for allowing your muscles to recover and rebuild. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating HIIT workout into your regular exercise routine can help you achieve your fitness goals faster and more effectively. So, commit to making HIIT workout a part of your lifestyle, and watch as you transform your body and life. Now, let me share with you some inspiring stories of individuals who have achieved success with HIIT workout. There are countless examples of individuals who have transformed their bodies and lives with HIIT workout. For example, there's the story of Sarah, who was struggling to lose weight and get in shape. She started doing HIIT workout 3 times a week, and within a few months, she had lost over 30 pounds and gained significant muscle mass. She now feels more confident and energized than ever before. Then there's the story of Michael, who was dealing with chronic health issues and had lost hope in ever getting in shape. He started doing HIIT workout twice a week, and within a few months, he had improved his cardiovascular health, increased his muscle mass, and regained his confidence and joy for life. These are just a few examples of the incredible transformations that can happen with HIIT workout. With dedication, commitment, and hard work, anyone can achieve their fitness goals and transform their body and life. So, I encourage you to take inspiration from these stories and commit to making HIIT workout a part of your own journey to health and fitness. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your overall health, HIIT workout is a powerful tool for achieving your goals and transforming your life. As we come to the end of our speech, let me remind you of the many benefits of HIIT workout for fat burning and muscle building. HIIT workout can help increase your metabolism, burn calories, and promote muscle growth and development. It's an efficient and effective way to achieve your fitness goals and transform your body and life. But, beyond the physical benefits, regular exercise and healthy lifestyle choices are crucial for our overall health and well-being. Incorporating HIIT workout into your exercise routine can help reduce stress, boost your mood, and improve your mental and emotional health. So, I encourage you to take action today and start your HIIT workout journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, there's a HIIT workout routine that can be tailored to your fitness level and goals. Remember, consistency is key. Commit to making HIIT workout a part of your regular exercise routine, and watch as you transform your body and life. So, let's take control of our health and fitness, and live our best lives. Thank you.